Some people see me as a victim, someone who's helpless, in need of shelter and protection. But I'm not.
Hello?
I don't need anyone fighting my battles.
Kiki?
Hey, you like it? Painted it just for you. Hey, buddy, you there? Huh? Can't talk? That's good.
What?
Please don't move. You have to stay perfectly still if I'm going to capture your likeness.
What is this?
Dog crate. I had a dog once for like a minute. Poor little thing. And it was like a little dog. I had to go 3 sizes for this thing. It's called the Supermax. Really, that's what they call it. It's for like a Great Dane or a Mastiff. Now it's your home away from home.
What the hell?
Now, take it easy.
Let me out of here.
Really, stop. You're gonna hurt yourself.
I'll kill you.
Really? That's what you're gonna do, Tom Baker? Huh? You gonna kill me? Really?
Help! Someone help me!
Hey, you have a choice here, okay? This is the humane method of training,
But there's also a less cuddly way. Right now it's set for Beagle, but I could easily turn it to German Shepherd or Irish Wolfhound.
What's wrong with you? This is sick.
Hey, let me explain the rules to you, okay? If you argue with me, I shock you. If you try to escape, I shock you. If you misbehave,
You shock me.
yeah, that's it. That's what's gonna happen. It's so simple, even a dog could learn it. And that's good, because that's what you are, right, Tom Baker? A dog. Speak. No. Speak.
What?
Good boy. We'll have you trained in no time at all.
What are you gonna do then? What are you gonna do with me?
Well, that would be telling.